Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to insert Excel spreadsheet on your Microsoft Word document. So for this guys, first you need to open the Word document on your PC and then click on insert like this. From here you need to select table and then here you can get the option Excel spreadsheet. Just click and select that option like this. Okay, the Excel spreadsheet will insert on your Word document, as you can see guys. So this is the first method. So one more method you can try. Go to insert option once again. From here you need to select object like this. From here you need to select Microsoft Excel worksheet, select this and then click on OK. So with the help of method guys, you can also able to insert your Excel worksheet, as you can see guys. So these are the two methods to insert the Excel sheet on your Word document. So that's all guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.